Hi, my name is Eloise, and in this video, I am going to give you a short preview of my poster, Quantum Bridges in Phase Space, Interference and Non-Classicality in Enhanced Ionization. Starting with enhanced ionization. So it's a phenomenon that happens to stretch molecules in high-intensity, low-frequency fields, which consist of a sharp increase in the ionization rate at specific internuclear distances. When looking at the quasi-probability distribution in phase space, strange features called momentum gates are identified that do not follow the gradient of the field. Through this poster, we will be looking at momentum gates and what they represent, what their cause is, and what their effect on enhanced ionization is. So momentum gates, they were first identified as a non-adiabatic following of the laser field. However, they are present even when using a static field, which we will investigate using a 1D, one-electron molecular model of H2+. During my poster presentation, I will be looking at the ionization rates and its relation to the autocorrelation function using different Gaussian initial states. I will also use the quantum Liouville equation to determine that a quantum bridge creates a pathway from the upfield population to the continuum. Finally, from these conclusions, we can look for an optimal configuration using time-dependent fields. Specifically, we will look for step functions in the autocorrelation function to control enhanced ionization with an attosecond switch. And to do so, we will use dimensional reduction techniques such as the TSNE to optimize our parameters. I hope you come by my poster presentation on Wednesday, 13th of October, and I will be happy to answer any questions you may have. Also, look forward to the Atto Friday seminar series.